Welcome to a PowerboatOne.com product spotlight. Let's take a look at this new HP coupler for the Bravo or Imco stern drives from Marine Design Corporation. This new patented pending HP coupler is made right here in the USA out of billet aluminum that is anodized for corrosion protection, and yes, it even's good for saltwater. It also has a 2-year limited warranty. The spline center shaft is made from 4130 Chromoly for extra strength and durability. It features 2 custom blended polyurethane drive dampeners to reduce the shock transfer between the engine and the drive gears. These polyurethane dampeners will take 2 times the torque load of a standard coupler, which makes the rating on this coupler 1,000 horsepower. 2 other cool features of this coupler is the wear indicator mark and the get home feature. When the red line on the Chromoly spline moves outside the mark on the coupler, it is time for a rebuild. That's right, this coupler can be completely rebuilt for a fraction of the cost of a new coupler. The other cool thing is the get home feature, which unlike stock couplers, spun and done, this coupler will still lock up and allow you to get back to the dock. Even if you don't have a high horsepower engine, say you have a diesel engine or you idle for long periods of time, which are both coupler killers, this coupler can handle the abuse. So to recap, made in the USA, 2-year limited warranty, takes 1,000 horsepower, fully rebuildable. What more could you want? Finally, a coupler that can take the horsepower that you've always dreamed of putting in your boat. Thanks for watching, PowerboatOne.com.